5 Health Benefits of Saffron. Disease Prevention. One of the main saffron benefits when used in cooking food is that it contains many plant-derived chemical components which are known to prevent diseases. They are also known to promote overall well-being of the body. Volatile oils. The plant part from which saffron is obtained contains essential but volatile oils which, when added to food, imparts its unique flavor and benefits of saffron as a spice. Some of these oils are cineole, pinene, boneol, geraniol, etc. Active components. Apart from the volatile oils, there are also non-volatile active components like carotenoid compound that are antioxidants beneficial to the body. These prevent free radical reactions which produce harmful by-compounds and diseases. Some of the carotenoids like zeaxanthin, lycopene, alpha and beta-carotene are widely appreciated. This is also one of the main uses of saffron. Therapeutic applications. In many religions, saffron is not just considered a spice. It is used in various types of therapies like body healing, detoxification and also in this bars. Antidepressant. The active components in the saffron make our body lose its depressing characteristics, making it a dietary necessity sometimes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe channel for more health tips.